这开始呀，这个。
Hello guys, welcome.
那个 Joyce， 你可以直接进来。
可以。
你直接进来，你发链接吧，因为我这边发不出去。
Good afternoon
现在还没人
or good morning.
现在还没人，没关系。
先要回看吗？
回看可以剪辑。
Hello guys, can you see us?
No guys, right now. we can wait some people then say hello. Right now, no people. Joyce, are you in?
Yes, I'm in. 可以看到效果。
Come on, come on.
Yes, it's okay.
So you got the link, right?
Say if any guys
I cannot.
No guys. Oh, two guys.
No, two guys. Hello, guys.
Welcome to our live show.
Good afternoon.
Or good morning.
这个照得我好丑。
Okay, our live show will start 2 minutes later.
Okay. In the big screen, you can see today's topic is RA series face products introduction, and we brings more than 5 units, including the new product. We just upgraded the machines, and here we will do a brief introduction and let all of the people know. And as you know, in the past days, we are produced the temperature face machine always. And I think our customers already know this machine very much. And today we will introduce other
new models.
New model, since we have some kind of machines.
Guys, you can say hello here, and can you see us or hear us?
Joyce, are you in?
Yes, I'm in.
Okay, could you please say something?
Yes.
Yes, if you have any question or requirements, just new message here.
My colleague,
Joyce
is standby.
You online.
Okay, let us begin. For the face products introduction.
Introduce ourselves.
Okay. This is Linda from HFSecurity, and this is my colleague Cherry.
So today, guys.
Okay, so today, me, Cherry, and Joyce will do this live show for you. And you can see today's content. It has 4 parts. The first one is about the RA05 and RA07. The second part is RA05L and RA07L. It's a new product.
Yeah.
And the third part is RA08, RA08, and another new model, RA060. And the last one is how to choose the most suitable machines for your projects. We will give you some advice based on all the specifications and applications.
Yes.
Okay. Firstly, we must to introduce ourselves again. And we are from HFSecurity, the Chongqing Huifan Technology. And we are focused on the biometric security products. It's more than 40 years. And besides the regular products like the fingerprint or card machines, we also provide the face series and OEM and ODM service. Actually, in the past 2 years, we are focused on the face machine more, since you know the face recognition is a non-touch recognition measurement, and it will be a trend in the near future. But indeed, it is a trend. It got much market share right now.
Yes, and just shared we can do any OEM and ODM products. You can see our factory is located in Shenzhen, China, And after this situation, maybe you can go to China and go to visit our factory. Then we can talk further about that. You can share your requirements to us here. And the second picture is our Chongqing headquarters. Now we are doing the live show on the Chongqing headquarters.
Yes, and introduce again, the left one is the Shenzhen factory and the branch office. It has 3 production line, and the right one is Chongqing headquarters, and most of the sales team in Chongqing headquarters.
Yeah.
Okay, so let us go into the first part is about RA05 and RA07 introduction.
Linda, I believe many customers already bought these devices.
Yeah, sure. We got many positive feedback from our
Yeah.
clients to even the healthcare in Nigeria recently. You know,
Yeah. We can show the video later.
it's on the CCTV, the local CCTV. So it's very famous to do advertising of our products.
Yes.
Okay, so let us go into this part. Have you can see clear?
Yeah, maybe this will be better.
Okay, you can see the left one is RA05. It's very tiny and small, and you can see the type is wall mounted. You can fix it on the wall directly to do face recognition. And the right one is RA07. It's a turnstile version. You can say it's connected with a full head turnstile. And both are Android system. It's Android 8.1. And clearly it's 5-inch, and this one is 7-inch.
So that is why we call the RA05.
Yeah, it's very simple. It's very easy to remember the model name. Okay, just the appearance.
Show you the RA05.
Here is a real device. You can say it's really tiny, and the back of the side. Okay, we will test the machine later. Right now, I just to give you some information about the specifications. Okay, here is some highlights of RA05. The first one is it's a dynamic facial recognition. It can detect moving faces. So the people no need to stand in front of the machine one by one to be detected.
Oh, in that case, I think it will save many time for the lineup.
Yes. Besides, it means a living recognition. It will reject the photo or videos.
Cool,
so the staff cannot use other people's photo to do a recognition. It will be more, let's say, secure. And the second one is support multiple persons. Like max is 5 persons. It seems like the 0.1 dynamic facial recognition. Since this machine it can detect max 5 people together. As I mentioned, so the all of the people no need to stand in front of the machine to detect one by one. It can save much time. And the third one is support different distance. The 4 meters max is 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, both okay. Normally people will put this machine on the wall.
So that is a very safe distance to do
yeah. And the next one is card supported. Here you can say it's a card reader part. So people can use their face or their card to do the verification. It's IC card to do the verification. 2 ways. And the next one is communication. It supports the TCP/IP, the line, the network. Also, it supports Wi-Fi. So for some places, like the public places, you can use line or Wi-Fi, and will be more easy to do the downloading data. Hello Ben.
Hello, welcome.
Which country are you from?
Yeah.
Kenya.
Kenya. Oh, good morning.
Good morning to you.
We are showing our RAO5 face recognition devices.
Yes, maybe you missed some contents, and today's our topic is about the face series machine, and we will introduce more than 5 units, and including our new product. And right now we are introducing the first one is RAO5, and on the screen is the highlights of this machine, and you can see the size is 5-inch. Okay, going to next one is about the interface. The sides, the first picture is about the sides, and the second is a back of the side of the machine. It has line here to connect the network line. And here is for power and other interfaces like wake in, wake out, or relay. And also it has voice broadcast. The machine will broadcast your name. And you can see it's very slim. And here are some interfaces like wake in, wake out, and RS232, and the GND, and the power.
Yeah, so
and this picture is to show you how to connect the electric magnetic lock or turnstile. Very easy. And here are some pictures from our clients. The real application scenario, just to give you some reference to how to use this machine and what kind of places can be installed this machine. And you can see the first one is the device connected with a lock. So the door will open after the face verification. And this one is for office. Also, you can put this machine on a mental case to protect it very well. Okay, and this one is in our office to test the people who come from our office. Yeah, since some foreigners clients will come to our office to see the production line or the device or talk further business.
Yeah, and I saw our logo on the device.
Yes, here you can put your logo, your company logo on it. And here is the time. Let me show you clear. Can you see?
Can you see?
So this part is the company logo, and this part is the time. And the second picture is also for office, for employees management. And this one is connected with electronic magnetic lock.
Yeah, so it can open the door when you do the recognition.
Yes, and some clients put this machine on a box to protect it very well. And this one is also connected with a magnetic lock to open the door after the verification. Okay, let us go into the best product is RAO7. Same like the former one, RAO5. It's a dynamic facial recognition. It can detect a moving face and multiple persons. Max is 5 persons. And this one is a little different. It has a large capacity. It's 10,000, and the screen size is 7-inch. It also supports the cut, but external, not internal. And it's a mental cover will be more rugged than the former one. And normally, this machine it can be connected with a turnstile to do access control. Okay, here are some details of this machine. Here is a voice broadcast in the turnstile version, the connection, and some cables like a line and reset power. Also has some cable interfaces for the week in, week out to do the network. Okay, here is a real picture of the machine with the turnstile. And we also support different types turnstile. And here are some application scenarios pictures from our clients. You can see the first one is for school. So the students will detect their face or use a card to do a verification, and they can access the door. It will protect their safety. So other people, like strangers, cannot come in. And also for buildings, like to do the visitor management in the park. It's clear? Hello, Ben, are you there? You can talk to me. Okay, you're so fast.
Yes, if you have any questions, you can new message.
Since I just introduced this machine, follow my contents. If you have any ideas, just let me know, or you have any concerns, I can explain you here directly. And here also for the application scenarios of RA07, it also can be installed like a factory gate and the construction site.
Yeah.
So people, for construction site, I think most of our customers, they will use a fingerprint. Before, I think fingerprint is very popular.
Mm-hmm.
But in these years, they noticed the quality of the fingerprints of the workers is not so good. Also, normally it were dirty, so they change another way, like a face or card, to do the verification. But card is not so easy to carry out. So
and it is not so secure.
Yes, of course, you will bring your hat every day outside, so you can use a face to detect it directly. It will be more convenient.
Yes, especially for construction sites.
Yes.
Yeah, and like the factory or some others.
Okay, but I think in Kenya is also many construction sites, right? In Asia, same. And here I will do a brief introduce about the software, since I belongs to the marketing department, not so familiar with about the technical things. So here I just do a brief introduction about the software. You can see its main interface of this machine. It has terminal information like personal management, terminal management, and access management. You can enroll a new persons or to download all the data from here. And there are some screenshots. You can say you can set the time attendance rule, like early arrive, late departure, and the set shifts.
Or time schedule you can do on the software. It is already software for your use.
Mm-hmm. We also can send a trial version to you to test, to see how it look like. And as I mentioned before, you can set your company logo on the screen. You can see
this is our logo.
It is our logo, and just to show you how to set it. It's very easy. Just select a picture and set to terminal. Then the device will initialize and it will display your logo. If you are a software company or solution company, I think you want to use your logo. So right now, no need to put the logo on the back of the side or the machine directly.
No need to
do this.
print.
Yes, just to put on the screen, and you can change when you want to change. Okay. So this part is about the RA05 and the RA07, and we also have we have many customers already bought it and to do a very good applications. And right now we have launched a new product. It's based on this machine to do a very little upgrades. So
yes, they look like similar, but also a little bit different. Then I will show you some more details about these two models, RA05L and RA07L.
So what is
Can
the
you
L? Do you know?
Good.
Yeah, it is a good question.
What is the L?
You know now. The L means it is the operation system. You can see here, you guys maybe remember the RA05 and the RA07 use
It's same device.
Android, right?
Yes, Android system.
Yeah, and this one is the RA05L. You can see similar, but inside totally different because they are using the Linux instead of the Android. Here, okay, we can see these two models. The RA05L, it uses Linux and it is 5-inch. You can see it is touch screen here. Can you see?
Yes.
It should be logged in by password. Use my face.
Cherry. Recognition successful.
You can see we get in the menu.
You can see the voice broadcast is Cherry.
Yeah, because I already registered. Hello, new guys. We are introduce our new models RAO5L and RAO7L.
Okay, not so many clients. Anyway, we will do an introduction today about the face series.
Yes.
And right now we are introduced the new model RAO5L and RAO7L. So let us see what is the difference.
Okay, and the RAO7L is also Linux and it is 7-inch. We just said that is why we call them RAO5L and RAO7L, as they are 5-inch, 7-inch, and they are using the Linux instead of Android system.
Okay, so it's very easy to remember the model
Yeah.
name since L means Linux system.
Yeah. So, okay, let's say the RAO5L. It is also dynamic facial recognition. It detects moving faces and only detects live person. If you want to use your photo or video to do the recognition, it does
Reject.
not. Yeah, reject does not work. And the screen size is 5-inch.
It's same. The
Yeah,
appearance is same.
Yeah, totally same.
Only the
Same.
inside is different.
The RAO5 is long touch screen, but the RAO5L is touch screen. I just show you. Yeah.
Yes, for this machine you only can operate it by software, but this one you can operate directly.
By your finger. Yeah. And another thing is the RAO5 below the face capacity is the standard is 1000, but the RAO5L is 10,000, is 10 times for that.
Oh.
Yeah, it is. And also the RFID card supports IC card.
Cherry.
Let's see.
Swipe card successfully.
Okay, the voice is Cherry.
Yeah. I registered for me Cherry.
Swipe card successfully.
So it works. The IC card.
Cherry. Swipe card successfully.
Log in by password.
By password, we can use.
Cherry. Swipe card successfully.
Also can use my face.
Recognition successful.
We log in the menu.
The feedback is good.
Yeah. So if this one like Linda, she did not register, then she cannot log in. We can show you.
Let
Here.
us test.
We need to log in.
Recognition failed.
Recognition failed.
And she cannot log in the menu, but I already registered.
Recognition
I get it.
successful.
Maybe we can try this guy.
Okay.
Try it.
this photo.
See,
Nothing. I have photo.
as we mentioned, it only detects the real person. It's for living recognition. So if you use the
Photo or
Pictures.
video,
photo, video, it's not work.
nothing here. Yeah. But we use my real face.
Recognition successful.
Did you hear? It's a cherry.
Recognition successful.
Okay, let's back here. And the communication, it will also support the LAN, and here is USB. That's also different with the
USB
IO5.
cable. USB cable.
USB cable.
What is for?
This is, you can use the U-disk to transfer the data to
Okay.
the software. If
Download
there-
or
yeah,
upload data.
Yeah, because this device can work offline. If there is no network, you can just store all data in the device and transfer the data to the software user U-disk.
Yeah, it's good for Africa, I think. Ben,
Yeah.
have you heard that? It's very easy to download or upload data, even no network.
Any interesting on this device? And it is also can optional Wi-Fi function. Some maybe prefer Wi-Fi, but some countries maybe need some certification for Wi-Fi for the Wi-Fi function. So you can just option that if you need, then add this function. If you do not need, just remain it.
Yes, for young children also okay, since the device will collect the specific point of the faces. So no matter about the age.
Yes, and we just shared you it is used for the schools. It is no matter for young children or others.
Mm-hmm. So with GPS, this one is no GPS. As I mentioned, it will fixed on the wall. It's in the classroom. Why you need the GPS?
Yeah.
If
It
you
is
need
face the device, not
Yes.
a mobile.
mobile, if you need the
Let's say-
GPS machine with fingerprint or facial recognition, we also have the machines. And my colleagues will do another show after our shows. Okay, so you need GPS. I remember it.
Okay, half an hour later, maybe you can just keep here and another show to show you our mobile attendance devices, the fingerprint tablet.
Okay, Ben. So you mentioned it will be for the school management, right? School management. It's for the students. Since we also have done many cases like this, it's for school or the bus. The people will use the mobile machine
Yeah.
on the bus or the school gate, and the students, all of the students will come to school, to print their fingerprint or the face to do a detection, and then they can come into the classroom or something.
Yeah.
And Also, the device will send SMS notification to their parents, and so their father and the mothers will get.
Yes, it is also for the security about the
Yes, that
humans
is
and,
another solution. Another solution. It's good.
Okay, let's go back here. And the last shining point is we can OEM any multiple languages. If you come from, if you want to do any other languages, just let us know. We can OEM that. Okay.
Okay, for Africa, I think the French,
and your
French, English.
language maybe need the Italian or others.
We support all.
Actually, you can say it is similar like the IL5 the interface. You can see
The back of the site.
The line interface and internal interface, and also this is the
Voice
charge,
broadcast.
this charge, and the voice broadcast. The
Only one difference.
Yeah, is here the USB. I just talked about this. The USB to do the data transfer. Okay. Let's go to next. Oh, this one I
It's
just
for the
shared.
display.
Yeah, just to do how to use this device and do the registration.
Recognition successful.
Okay, here.
And you can see the pictures. It has users part, and here is about to show you how to add a users. It has number, name, and gender, and permission or face image, password, and IC ID card number. As I mentioned, you can use your face or card to do access.
Yes, and now we log in. You can see the menu, the user and the network, and some other informations and the system. You can see, and the data. We also can check from the device and the shifts. You can do the time schedule here, and now we get in the user. And you can see there are two parts. The first one is add user, and the second one is the user list. We can see here already some users here. Okay, let us do the registration for
Okay.
Linda.
Since I'm a stranger now.
Yeah. And when you get in, it will be the number and I.
Okay, guys, right now I will show you how to add a new users on this machine. It has name.
Chose the 6. Okay. Can you see clearly?
Okay, let us do collect faces.
Okay, now.
Your face in the center.
Shot.
Okay. Very beautiful picture.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay, that's done. We also can add a card. You say save successfully. Okay, let's do the recognition.
Okay, let me do access. Have you heard the voice? Linda. So it's really easy to add a new persons.
Yes, as it is touch screen and there are many parts on the device, you can make the registration on the device directly.
No need to operate by the software,
Yes.
by hardware.
And here you can see in the middle is a doorbell. Yeah, when you use it for the access control, yeah, You can. Did you hear?
Yeah,
Very.
it's
Clear.
doorbell.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see the applications. Any questions, guys?
Okay, Ben
Also
is our
the
regular
orange
class.
or-
FPO9.
orange one. Oh, okay.
FPO9. 两个手指。
Okay. The first one is also to use for the office. You can see it's even for the African people, it can recognize by our device. And the second one is also for the office. You can see the.
Sorry, Ben has asked you the question.
Oh, okay. Is it RG or
Yes.
Yes. It is
Cameras.
two dual cameras. You can see here. Dual cameras, both. Did you see?
Maybe
a little red is the IR camera.
Maybe by picture is good.
Yeah, you see.
Is that clear? Can you say it?
I believe he already
Okay.
said. Okay.
So-
Okay, the next one is RAO7L. Some shining points similar as the RAO7. The first one is also the dynamic facial and detect the movement face live detection. Reject any picture or videos. Then you can do that for the real person to know who already attendance. And the third one is the face composite. Do you still remember the RAO5L? The face composite is 10,000. The RAO7L also 10,000. But you can optional 30,000. Oh, welcome. Corbin. Corbin, welcome. Welcome to our live show. We are showing our face recognition series. Total 7 models. And now we're showing the RAO7L, the Linux face recognition devices. If you have any questions, just leave messages here. Our colleague Joyce will reply you online, okay? Okay, you can optional 30,000 the face capacity for some big group and buildings like that. And the screen size you can see from the model is 7-inch and RFID supported is IC card for external, not the internal. Okay, communication. This one can optional 4G function for your further development. If there is low network, you can use that. And you can see there are some interface for.
It's very similar like the RAO7.
Yeah, similar. Just you can connect with the turnstile. This is the right one is for turnstile to do the access control. Open the door, and the first one is to connect
Office.
with the EM lock. It's very fast. I will show you a video for that. The software, actually, these two models use the same software as the RAO5 and the RAO7. For the same software, you can connect with different devices together, and to do the central control, you can manage all data together. It is very user-friendly for you. If you have many doors or many parts for your building or for your group. Then you can control all data together. And you can say this is for the software, the time room. You can set the time to open the door or do the access control the time. Okay. Now next I will show you the three models. The RAO8, RAO8T, and the RAO6T. The first two models, I believe many customers already know these two or very well and tested it, right? Now we also show you some details here. The first one is the RAO8. It is 8-inch, but long touch screen. Okay. Okay, you can see also bunch of cameras.
Little bigger than the former one. Okay.
Okay. The RAO8T, it is just add a temperature module. You can see on the top. I will show you the real device here. You can see here is the top one is the temperature module. It just add this module on the RAO8 device. So I will show you them together to you. Okay. Can you hear us and see us? It seems the network is not so good. Okay? Oh yes. Okay. Okay.
No. Then it's not reply for this.
OK 的，现在 OK 的。
Okay.
So here are some interfaces
Yes.
as well.
And you can see here some interfaces for the LAN network, for reset, and for the relay, and the weekend input, output, and for the USB interface,
OK.
and the DC charger, you can see.
And here are some details about all of the interfaces. Like a reset button, relay, network port, and wig in, wig out, and DC, plus the USB interface. And you can see the details about this machine. It can detect the 5 people at the same time, and the 10,000 faces capacity, support for stranger detect 20,000, and the 2 million pix camera, and the 8-inch display, and the 8G storage, and the attendance cards, voice feedback, and the attendance management.
Yes, and this device we have two versions. The first one is the long touch screen, and the second one is the touch screen. Touch screen, you can just operate it. It is very easy.
Okay.
Like the IO5L.
Okay. Besides, this version also have different types for your different scenarios. The first one is for turnstile, and the second is desktop, and the wall-mounted and the floor stand type. So many choices for you.
You can see the right picture using the floor stand type to do the attendance.
Reception.
Yeah.
Reception. And here you can see both machines have all of the types: desktop, floor stand, and the turnstile version, and the wall-mounted. And you can see even for the stand, for the floor stand, we have different.
The heights for different person, like the
Okay.
young children, the
As
adults,
Ben mentioned, for the school,
Yeah,
the students, kindergarten. Okay, right now we will introduce another function is about the language. Since you can see the other machines like RAO5 or RAO7.
Yes.
It supports multiple language, but only based on the machine or the software. But this one, it will broadcast the different languages.
Mhm.
Like
And,
a German.
They are already standard on the device. You can choose what you want directly.
Yes, German, French, and Russia, Italian,
Yeah.
Korean, Japanese, Portuguese, and Spanish.
Yeah. And the Portuguese, it can use for Brazil and the Portugal, both okay.
Even the Thai and Arabic. So if your company have many business in different countries, it's not a problem. You can use one software to do all of the management. And here we will do software screenshots to show you what it look like. And the main interface, maybe it's not so clear, but I will tell you by my voice. It's including the personal management, device management, access control management, and we already added the time attendance management.
Yeah.
So you can do a different shift. And I choose some questions that customers concerns. The first one is how to add a company logo. As I mentioned, for the RAO5, you can add your company logo on the screen. And for this machine, it's also okay.
Here, yeah.
Here.
You can add your company logo.
Company logo and add your company name here.
Yeah.
So it will do advertising of your company.
Yeah. If a visitor go to your company or your factory, he will know your name at the first time to do the attendance.
Yeah, if you are reseller and you sell all the machines to your end users, and other people always know this machines come from you,
yeah.
And they will send inquiries to you directly. And the second one is device management. It has many parts like the network, a basic or callback, display, remote, and the temperature parameters. Temperature parameters only for the RAO80, since only this machine has the temperature functions. And you can set like the wear mask or do not wear the mask, a stranger alert or something.
Mm-hmm. And also the high temperature alarm.
Yes.
You can set the standard the temperature.
Okay, next one is about enrollment. To add a new users. And for this machine, it's also very convenient to do it since it has 3 ways. The first one is enroll to capture your photo by the device directly.
Yeah.
And the second one is to collect your face by your computer's camera. And the third one is to select the file from your computer.
Yeah,
you can if you have many branches and many people in different places, just take the photo and save all the informations in one file and to upload directly.
Yeah, just based on
it's very easy.
Our standard.
Yes. And this part is about the wear a face mask warning. In this difficult or different period, normally people need to wear a mask, and how to notify them to wear a mask. So you can use this machine. If the people do not wear the mask, they cannot come in to do access.
Yes, and also for the high temperature on the top, it also has the high temperature.
Yes, the device will alarm to notify you if the person with a normal temperature.
Yeah, especially in the public area. Yeah, it is very
public places or the hospital or kindergarten or school. Since in China, all of the people's already back to school already. And see, high temperature alarm. You can choose turn on or turn off, and you can set the abnormal temperature judgment value. It depends on you.
Yes, and if a high temperature, it also cannot get in the public area.
Yes, and about the scenic data, just import or upload, download, easy. All the operation based on the software. Okay, so right now I will show you some successful cases, and the client's feedback is same like the application scenario.
Yeah.
And this one is for the Hong Kong airport. So airport is very public places, so
It is necessary.
it's
to
very
have our
necessary
device.
to detect your temperature and to notify you to wear a mask to protect you and other people's.
Yeah, as the safe is the first important thing now.
And you can see this picture. The people's connected this machine with a disinfection room. So for the staff, for airport staff, they need to wear their mask to do a verification first. Then the door will open to do a disinfection. And for supermarket, if you with abnormal temperature, then you cannot come in. This one is also for supermarket.
Supermarket is a very important area as everyone maybe every day need to go to the supermarket.
Yeah, and not only for the big supermarket like 7-Eleven also okay.
Yeah.
And for office. For office. Actually, the application is very similar no matter in which country or which office. They just want to detect your face to do a verification and plus the temperature detection.
Yeah. For office, they usually use the wall-mounted version. You can say just put it in your wall.
Okay, so for buildings, it's same. Connect with a magnetic lock or turnstile. Very similar. So actually, we can divide into two parts. The first one is for public places like the buildings or airport
and school. Yeah. Like
yes,
that.
it's for public places. Also for private places like the small office or like your home.
So it has a function means the stranger open. You can say if for public areas, if you are a stranger or a visitor, you just wear your face mask and your temperature is normal, then you can get in. But for the office, if you are a stranger, maybe you cannot get in. You can set that on the device based on your requirements. So yeah, it is very easy. Okay, there are also some feedback from our customers. You can say, oh, hi, your product is great and really fast.
Perfect.
Yeah. Maybe we can test it, how fast it is.
Okay.
Oh, refresh. Already.
You can see the interface, the main interface. It has a framework. The frame is like a person. And you can see the time as well. So just signed in this part, it will detect your face. So Joyce, could you please use your face? Look, that is doesn't matter.
36.7.
Oh, it's very fast.
36.8.
Yeah, Joyce.
35.8.
And show her temperature.
If your temperature is normal, the light is green. If your temperature is abnormal, the light will turn to red.
Yeah.
And plus a warning.
Okay, you say it is really fast.
And if you want to see more details about this machine, you can come to our YouTube channel to get the details. Since we already took many videos about this machine, and also you can subscribe our channel to get some more updates
Yeah,
So,
and,
so for example, like we will do a live show today, and the YouTube will send you a notification. So if you have interest, you can come to see us.
yeah. We're also planning to do more live show like today to show you more details about our wholesale models.
Okay. So this is also another new product.
Yeah, you can say it is totally different on the interface.
Yeah,
It's
actually,
RAO.
since we have some clients, they have many different applications, like for Africa or some countries, and
Yes.
the cost maybe their cost is cash flow or are there other concerns. So they want to buy a very cheap machine, and this machine is really cheap, and the biggest advantages is price.
Yeah, it is very competitive on the price, on the cost for you.
Yeah, so no matter for resale or to do a project, this machine will be a good choice. And if you want to get a perfect performance machine, then I will suggest you choose the RAO80. But if you very care about the price and you want to get a good performance with the temperature function, then you can consider this new model.
Yeah,
as I mentioned, the biggest advantage is the price.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now Jerry will introduce some specifications here and the biggest difference about the OS, right?
Yeah, also the OS.
Linux.
This one is the Linux, but Linux is very
stable
system. Yeah, many customers still prefer this, and this you can say this is the
4.3 inch touch screen.
4.3 inch. It is the touch screen. You can also operate it just like the RAO 5L. Just operate it on the device directly. Okay. Also 10,000 face composite, and it standard supports the ID card reader, and you can optional the IC card just based on your requirements.
Yeah, normally no need to do a secondary development since it has already software. That's why I told you this will be a good machines for reseller and to do a project. No need to do any development. Just use it, buy it, and install it and use it.
Hello, Steve. Hello. Welcome.
Steven.
And
Okay.
Okay. Welcome, you guys. And we are showing our face recognition devices, total 7 models.
You guys missed many things.
Yeah, this one is the RAO80, the hot model. Okay, now we are showing the RAO60.
It also supports multiple languages, right?
But yeah. This is the shiny point for this machine. You can say ready multiple languages on both hardware and the software. You can say the Spanish, French, Turkish, and Thai.
Hello, Ailey from Pakistan.
Oh, from Pakistan.
Yeah, you guys really missed many things since our topic is face recognition, and we are bringing more than 5 units machines, including our new products. And right now you can see this machine is also a new product.
Yeah.
To do a whole introduction, and I will know how to choose the most suitable one for your case, for your application, for your projects. So anyway, you can continue to hear this, and we will do a conclusion later. Maybe you can get something, or you can subscribe our channel to see the playback after this.
This one is already the final model, the final of the 7 models. You can see this one can do the face recognition and the temperature detection together. And you can see the right one, it's connected with the turnstile to do the both attendance and the access control.
Yeah, Stephen.
You see, it is the red line because there is a high temperature. When there is a high temperature, you can see the turnstile it did not open and it has alarm on the red.
Okay, Stephen. Stephen
yes.
is from Nigeria.
Oh,
We just have done a project about the RAO5
This
is
one,
in
yeah.
healthcare in your country in local, and our client already done advertising in your CCTV. So we will show you a video later. Maybe you know, I think.
we will show you the video later. Okay. I believe you
CCTV.
already saw that
Sorry,
from
CCTV.
your TV.
CCTV is
Okay.
a Chinese name.
Yeah. Okay, the installation version. Also, this is the desktop and the wall mounted and the floor stand. You can see the floor stand different heights for different the people. Okay, for children and for adults. Okay, it's show you.
It also can connect with the magnetic lock
Yes.
and the turnstile, same like other machines. And about the software, you can see the screenshots. It's including many things like the device management and the shift or the
overtime runners, something like
yeah,
that.
just
It's very
some,
normal. The attendance.
yeah,
software.
normal functions of the time attendance machine. And the very important part is how to choose the most suitable machines for your projects. Since you already watched many devices like RAO5, RAO7,
Yeah, and then the new one.
and the Linux
RAO7.
system machine, and the temperature machines. So there are many different machines and with a good performance. How can you choose the best one?
So how can they choose the best one?
Firstly, you need
Good
to.
question.
How?
Firstly, you need to know the difference. Even it's very tiny, you need to know the difference. For example, I'm a customer, and for a project, I need to find a attendance machine, plus the face recognition. Okay, firstly, you need to let us know if you need the temperature function, since it's very popular. It's very popular nowadays.
Yeah.
So if you need, then you can choose RAO80 and RAO60. Both okay. But the difference is one is Android and one is Linux.
And the price also
price
a big difference.
Big difference. If you want, as I mentioned, if you want to find a perfect performance device, you can buy the RAO80 directly. You will know how it look like and how it works, and this machines deserve it. And if you have the concerns about the cost, or you don't want to develop other things and you just want to resell, then you can choose a Linux one.
Yeah, that is.
It has already software and no need to do any development. It's very easy to use. Just buy it, install it, and use it. Okay. So if you don't need the temperature functions, you have many choice like the RAO5, RAO7, and the RAO8 plus the Linux one.
Yeah, two totally same.
Yes, about the OS, it seems like the temperature machine. If you don't need to do any development, just choose the Linux one.
This one, the touch screen one.
If you want to develop something, or if you want to find a perfect performance machine, then you can choose Android one.
Yeah, this RAO5.
I think for the technical guys, they will know the difference of the Android and the Linux.
Yeah.
If you don't know, you can Google it. You will know how is
we will provide a perfect API document.
Yeah.
for them.
So we are not only in support the machine only. We also support the document, the development document.
Mhm. And
No matter you
further-
develop it or not, we will support it. And after this, and we also support the long life technical support and the 1-year warranty. And here we will show you the production line of our machines
Oh, this is for RAO8T.
T and 8.
Yes.
We have three production lines in our factory
Factory.
based in Shenzhen. So you can come to visit our factory and branch office.
Then you can test our devices directly and talk with our engineers.
And if you want to talk the big business with us, you can come to our factory as well.
Yeah, the RAO5 and the RAO7.
Okay. So today we just do a brief introduction of all of our face machines and do a brief introduction of our new product.
Yes. RAO8T. This is the most recommended.
Yes. Any interesting or if you want to get more details, just contact us.
You want.
Leave your message, leave your information, or
You can see
contact
very
our
fast.
YouTube directly.
Joyce. And this one.
Joyce normal 36.5. Joyce normal 36.3.
Wow, the picture more beautiful than this one.
I'm the most beautiful.
Yeah. And some guys already missed something. You can watch the playback later. And if you have interest in this PowerPoint, you also can contact us to get it.
Yeah, remember to subscribe our YouTube channel here, and you will know more details about our products and some new videos here.
Yeah,
Okay.
subscribe. You
Yeah.
will get more informations and the updates of our machines.
Yes.
And since the facial recognition is really popular right now, and it will be a big trend in the near future. That's why we introduce the face machine again and again. If you are a businessman, you must to take this opportunity to seize the market and to get more opportunities.
Show some videos.
Yeah, we can show the demos, time reference videos.
Okay, maybe we can show the advertising from Nigeria.
Yeah.
Just a moment.你是放了全部的呀？
Okay, you can say the Liberty TV.
Yeah, Liberty.
Liberty.
Stefan, you know it?
Seven must know.
You saw this before? You saw? RAO5? Oh, you should know this.
Healthcare.
Face recognition.
That said, the machine will also serve as a monitoring device to help obtain fluency among staff and improve service delivery.
前面那几秒有，后面好像没有。最后几秒。最后几秒。
Will go a long way in improving the services of our hospital.
Hospital for the healthcare.
Some of our workers, maybe before, who don't normally
Face
come to work
capture.
early. So to keep them now, make them to come to work early because they know the equipment will capture the exact time they, they go to their office and the exact time they'll be leaving the hospital premises after work. There is no guilt saying
The
that
IO5 machine, you see?
to delivery of service and also to increase the needs of Nigeria post COVID-19. Factory model in the immune.
Okay. Show one video about RAO8T.
Okay, we just show some. Oh, so many are.
Oh, our face.
Many. Many pictures in the screen.
Okay, since we have many videos from our clients to do advertising or feedback, so just contact us to get more details.
Oh, I love this station.
That's cool. So you are from Nigeria as well.
Oh.
Same question.
So you need to have a RAO5.
Very good market.
Yeah.
Okay, so since time is limited, we just show a video, demo video to you. If you want to get some more details, you can subscribe our channel to get more informations,
Yes.
or you can contact us to get all the information. Just leave your contacts. Hello, Wallet. So you are here.
you just hear you missed many stuff.
You missed
Millions of dollars.
you missed many things. So how is your developing about the ROAT? Is all clear? Anyway, today's our topic is RL series phase products introduction, including the new products.
Yes. Say 5-inch.
Ha 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 ha.
Okay, 5 minutes later, we will have another live show for the
Fingerprint
mobile,
tablets.
Yeah, the mobile devices.
As been mentioned, is for a school, like the students, term attendance. So you
Yeah,
can
and on the bus for that.
wait later. My colleague will do another introduction about this. And as I know, they are focused on the school project, I think.
Yeah.
So you can wait a minute to get more information. And guys, remember subscribe our channel, and we will do another show. The channel will notify you.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks for your watching.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye bye.
See you next time.